Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog, tungkol po sa ating this week's trendy topics. For today's video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto ko mag-like, shares, comments, and views at abutin ng 500 if supportin natin sa ating social media account. Ating latest vlog for today, 292, episode 292, entitled Usapang Trending Topics. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Pala natin ang this week's highlights. Okay, una muna natin sa pageant news tayo. Miss Denmark's Victoria Krall Ejal, di maintindihan, Trevi, nanalo Miss Universe ngayong taon. This is the first Danish or Denmark representative to win a Miss Universe after the entrance of Miss Universe ng Denmark noong 1952. 9 na ang may placement at gabi na lang nanalo si Miss Denmark Victoria Trevi. Beats other 124 candidates. First runner-up si Miss Nigeria. Second runner-up si Miss Mexico, the host nation na Miss Universe. Third runner-up na si Miss Thailand. And fourth runner-up si Miss Venezuela. Congratulations. And for the Filipino batch, Chelsea Smith pasok na sa Miss Universe top 33-0 kasi nag-swimsuit na, but was supposed sana yung final evening gown, which is design na kanilang parang white and blue, parang crystal blue gown. Dapat sana kasi hindi siya pasok sa top 12. But congratulations. And also, nanalo Miss Universe Asia. Kabila lang yung nanalong Continental Queens this year are Peru, Finland, and Nigeria. Kasama ang Philippines sa nanalong Continental Queen. Congratulations, Chelsea Manalo. Congratulations, Miss Denmark. Hope to see you in the next edition of Miss Universe na yung 2025. Now, let's move on to a new launch of the Christmas ID ng TV5 last November 18. Hatid saya ang Paskong Kapatid. Kasama po ang mga legit Dabbercats ng Itbulaga, the host of Will to Win of Willie the Villaman, the cast members of Ang Himala ni Nino, then ang cast members ng Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa, at ang mga kapamilya artists like Patang Quiapo, Lavender Fish, and from Pinoy Big Brother, pati na ang host ng Rainbow Rumble na si Luis Manzano, pati na ang volleyball players ng Signal and PLDT. Wala si Kim Pardo, but okay na siya kasi nag-station ID na siya, pero sa appearances in the UAP dati. And congratulations sa lahat ng mga nakasama at kaligayahan na yung Kapaskuhan. Hatid saya ang Pasko Kapatid. Stream na sa Spotify and available sa anuman social media pages ng TV5 from Facebook and YouTube. And speaking of Christmas Station ID, panoorin natin yung winning CMMA for Best Station ID. Watch this. Ayan, sa kinanap ng CMMA night noong November 20. Hosted by Julius Babaw, Tintin Bersola Babaw, Father Hans Madurulan, and Barbie Atienza. Kala ko Imperial. Lalaki ba to? O babae? Lalaki kasi si Barbie Atienza. That sa Belen tayo uuwi ng Sambuhay TV. One of the best station ID. Ito yung first time ang Sambuhay TV wins the station ID. Along with singling grand finalist Kim Makarae and the other gospel singers celebrate kanilang Pasko last year's Christmas Station ID ng Sambuhay TV. Beats, Pila-Pila Pasko Kapatid, and Feeling Best na yung Pasko. Congratulations to GMA and TV5 with always try and best next year. And we'll share about the station ID last year. Congratulations and congrats sa Buhay TV. Hope to see you in the next edition of the CMMA. At yan ba ating this week's vlog. See you next vlog. Bye. God bless.